Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I've been MIA, but I'm back. I got a new computer and I'm on my way to the food pantry.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. I'm back from the food pantry. I'm also giving you a sneak peek at the window because we're doing slight renovations to everything, the kitchen and everything. All right, we're going to start from left to right and I'll show you what I got. Please pardon the countertop. As I said, we're doing the kitchen. All right, we got some pistachios in the shell. That's always nice. Yes. We also got some dried beans. Ooh, great northern beans. I'm going to show you once again how to do beans, but we're going to do my bean soup. You're going to love it. We got some elbow macaroni. Always a staple. You need that. I will show you recipes on the ingredients that we get today, okay? This is a knockoff cereal, but it tastes great and Jay loves it. Now, we've got a little bit of a seafood section. We got some pink salmon. We got some tuna, 2 cans of that. Now, with this tuna, I suggest doing a tuna casserole because this tuna comes in a lot of water. So we're going to drain it really good, dry it out, and put it in a tuna casserole, and it'll be great. We got some white chicken in the can. Now that is done in water. I don't like anything really done in oil. It adds too many calories, but it does come out tasty. We got some whole kernel corn, no salt added. You know I'm all about that. You know it. Mini beef ravioli. That'll be good for Jay's lunch. Now, you know what you can also do with this? If you take this with a little extra sauce, put some more seasoning in it, some cheese over top, and bake it, oh, that is great. Cut green beans, black beans. Now, I can make a soup out of this, or I can smash them up and make them like refried beans, for taco night. I love that. Diced pears in natural juice. This is wonderful. You know what you can do with this? You freeze these, turn them into a smoothie. That's right. With a little orange juice. Oh, or apple juice. Yes. We got some mixed fruit. I'll show you how I make my mixed fruit pies. I've been promising that, and I will show it to you. Now, also, we got some low sodium tomato soup. Great. And I got some low sodium tomato sauce. I'm going to combine these two to make an Italian baked casserole. I'm going to show you how I do that, and I'm going to use this elbow macaroni, all right? Now, of course, I have the macaroni and cheese in a box, which I use this to make my macaroni and cheese, but I do not use the package because of the salt content. In fact, let's do a little investigation. There's 440 milligrams of sodium. And you think, oh, that's not bad. Oh, okay. Per serving. And there's about 3 servings. So 3 times 440, that's over 1,000 milligrams of salt just in this. Now, if you've got high blood pressure, you're only supposed to have about 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams of salt a day. So your whole day's worth of sodium is in this one little box. Okay. If you use that package. If you make it from scratch, not so much. We've got that old standby. Jelly and peanut butter. Ooh, strawberry. Now this fruit spread, you know what? This is good for baking. Really good for baking. Okay. Let's move over to the meat section. We have boneless, skinless chicken thighs. 2 packs. Since it's getting a little warmer, not much, I might show you what I do with these on the grill. I marinate them first, then heaven. Honey garlic chicken, hot sauce chicken. Oh, yes. Now, we got some ground beef. I'll brown this up, put it in tonight's dish, which I'm going to film tonight and show you guys later, for that Italian casserole. It will be delicious. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Now, we have some wonderful butter lettuce for a salad. Some wonderful tomatoes. Now check this out. If you get tomatoes from the food pantry that are extra ripe, like this one, you can char these on the top of the stove, the fire. Put them in your sauce for your tomato sauce. Oh, they are wonderful. So I'm going to show you guys food prep. When you get stuff that's overripe like this, food prep for the week, okay? That will help you save time, money, and a headache, okay? We got some organic, carrots. Oh, wonderful, baby carrots. You know what? A little butter, maybe some honey, and just a touch of cinnamon, a little salt and pepper. Yes, they come out wonderful. Got a nice loaf of bread, soft, very soft. And look at this. We got dessert, strawberry cream cheese Danish. Oh, me and Jay will be fighting for that. Now, they gave me 3 huge containers of hand sanitizer. You know what? COVID has not gone away. I don't know why people are being so lax. Be careful out there. Wash your hands. We also got some toilet paper. This is gold, okay? And a COVID test. Now, if you're wondering how to use any of these ingredients from the food pantry, just write me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Also, Salty Assassins, hang in there, brother. Help is on the way. If you need help, check out Catholic Charities. They can help with rental. They can help with bills, okay? Food, clothing. There are resources you can go to in the churches, and they will help you. Reach out to me. If you just need someone to talk to, reach out to me, okay? I am always here, always willing, all right? Now, also, we are doing a kitchen reno. As you see, look at the kitchen window. It's coming along nicely. I just wanted to see how the little tchotchkes I made, yes, I made these, came out, and I made them from the dollar store. I'm going to have a crafting day, and I'm going to show you how I made these. They look very elegant. They're very nice. And the candles are those flameless flicker candles like you get from the dollar store. All right. Write a message to me. In other words, comment, like, subscribe. I know I'm over the top. Big love from Uncle Chris.